Hey, what's up, YouTube? I have a situation going on over here where tie rod sleeve snapped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all of that. And not just that, a lot more. But for now, to get it so I can drive it, because I don't know how, these parking lots, I don't know when they're going to actually do the work, but I heard something coming up about redoing or repaving the parking lot and some other work. So I got to have this thing ready to be moved. As I was going out of the parking lot last week, coming from the gas station, I decided to go back out of the parking lot. And when I decided to do that, I got right at the end of the parking lot, and tie rod sleeve snapped. I had to actually take my jack and to get the vehicle back into the parking lot. And that's how I got it back in here. So I'm out here right now. It's about maybe 8 o'clock, a little after 8. Didn't realize it was this nice out here. I would have been out here earlier doing it. But you know how it is when something happens. And I just got the new parts in yesterday. I just wanted to get out here and get the new parts on. And around this time of the year, I'm so lucky right now to be getting weather this decent, because these are the worst months in January and February of 2019. These are the coldest months of the year for the winter in New York. Anyway, but another thing I want to bring to you guys' attention, I don't usually do this with people and their channels. I like a lot of channels, but I was really impressed by this channel here. It's called the DIY Gang. This young brother is building a Wildcat from the ground up. And when I say the ground up, I mean this car it was destroyed in a fire. Not just a typical fire. I mean, this thing was burnt very bad, severely, especially around the rear end. So if you go there, check out his channel, see what he's doing. And that's just one of the things I want to say. Anyway, I want to get back to this and tackle the other side, get the other one down. And I don't know, I'm just probably going to get them down, and then tomorrow it's going to be pretty decent. Come out here tomorrow morning and just put everything back up in there. I'm not even going to bother to get a wheel alignment. I'm just going to leave it here. And for the next 2 months, until February, maybe March, I'll get back on it and start tackling the rest of the front end. Well, anyway, you guys, peace out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.